Hello all. Preview days at LEGOLAND New York have been going on through all of June, and we decided about time to go back, visit the park, and see what was new. We especially wanted to stop by Pirate Land and see if there were any new updates to the construction that was going on there. The theming when you enter LEGO Pirates Land is amazing. It's fantastic. I just love the sign that has the map look with the torn edges on it. I just can't wait for them to remove the fencing from the buildings in front. One place they did remove the fencing from, though, is Anchors Away. So as we turned the corner, we noticed that there were workers on site, and they were talking with some of the guests, and we actually wound up getting to see them test the ride vehicle. I'll admit, that's way cooler than I thought it was going to be. We found out later that we only saw half of this ride during the demo. They actually had a soft opening later in the day and we were able to get on. We uploaded a video of the full ride for anybody who wants to see on the channel. Walking past Anchors Away, we were in for a big surprise. All this area that was covered by construction fencing was opened up, and there was a whole new space for us to explore. First, you see some benches next to a big alligator trying to fit into a much smaller tent underneath a Lego palm tree. Past that, you can see pirate-themed carnival games. A small Lego free play area with a lot of bricks and barrels, and a fully operational pirate ship playground called Shiver Me Bricks. Here's a side view of the pirate ship. On this side alone we have 3 slides, rope ladder, 2 cannons, and your friendly neighborhood steps. On the other side there was a gangway, and everywhere kids were having a blast exploring all the nooks and crannies in this new pirate ship. On the starboard side of Shiver Me Bricks, Splash Battle was running through some tests. It looks like there are still some displays left to be finished for the ride before it can be open to the public, but the ride vehicle looks great, and the displays and features that are already up look really fun, like that huge octopus right there. To port, Rogue Riders is shaping up. There's no water in the ride yet. Hopefully just some more finishing touches and they'll open this ride up to the public soon. Well, it was a hot day in New York, so we decided to start heading home. On the way back, we took a spin on DJ's Dizzy Disco and one last turn on the carousel. With preview days coming to an end, we can't wait to come back and share our experiences at LEGOLAND Pirates once it fully opens and all of the rides and attractions are available. Thank you for watching, and we hope that you enjoyed this relatively short video with the updates to Pirates Land in LEGOLAND New York.